Hello, my name is Kelton Castillo, and I'm an undergrad art major at the University of Notre Dame. Our art piece today is The Forging of the Cross by Henry Mosler. In this painting, 4 men labor over an iron cross in a blacksmith's shop, the red-hot glow of the metal illuminating the room. European artists working during the 15th to 19th centuries used this type of light to represent the divinity of Jesus in a manger in scenes of the Nativity. Artists such as Mosler appropriated this same device to highlight the aspects of sanctity in industries and work. That the men are forging a cross adds an explicit spiritual dimension. The minister and onlooking women are also drawn into the drama of the scene and what it represents about the life of faith. As we think about the work and its intentionality, we must consider the cultivation of our spiritual lives, and forging a cross is a fitting image. Jesus says in today's gospel passage, "I tell you, unless your righteousness surpasses that of the scribes and Pharisees, you will not enter into the kingdom of heaven." He then goes on to list what loving one's neighbor really looks like. The sacrifice and the effort it takes to rid oneself of anger and resentment toward one's brothers and sisters. It is no small thing. How many times have we ignored a deeply hurtful offense, pretending that forgiveness is a passive virtue, only to find ourselves later ruminating over past transgressions? How many times have we hurt someone, felt remorse, but couldn't bring ourselves to apologize and make things right? Christ knew that unless we strive to make real peace, none will be had. We can't disappear to be righteous like the scribes and Pharisees. Like Jesus, we have to undertake the hard and courageous work of forging a cross of love.